2022 Honda CBR 600RR. Introducing the 2022 Honda CBR 600RR since its 2003 introduction. Honda's CBR 600RR has been a popular super sport machine, equally capable as a track day weapon, and for weekend outings on local twisty back roads. The CBR 600RR returns for the 2022 model year. It's inline 4 achieving high revving power, and its Showa suspension and responsive chassis, delivering a nimble, comfortable ride. Sport bikes, especially 600 class machines, are for riders who want to feel the highest degree of connection with their motorcycles. Because the greater the connection, the more rewarding the ride. The aluminum chassis and premium suspension precisely connect you with the road like nothing else. And only a 600 can give you the light, crisp handling so many sport bike riders find so attractive. Available with optional anti-lock brakes. The CBR 600RR uses radial-mounted mono-block front brake calipers. This construction makes the caliper stiffer, and that means you get better brake feel for more linear, powerful stopping. Each caliper also uses 4 chromium-plated aluminum pistons for smooth friction-free operation. Centrally located fuel tank. The CBR 600RR's 4.8-gallon fuel tank is positioned in the center of the chassis and low in the frame. This allows for a more compact design, but even more important, helps centralize the bike's mass. Increased mass centralization means the CBR is more responsive to rider input, especially when leaning the bike into a turn or standing it up at the exit. Honda Electronic Steering Damper, HESD. Most steering dampers only sense handlebar deflection speed. The Honda Electronic Steering Damper, HESD, is way more sophisticated. It also detects vehicle speed and adjusts damping proportionally. That helps maintain low-speed maneuverability while providing excellent, predictable high-speed handling. Dual-stage fuel injection. 2 sets of injectors per cylinder ensure both low and high RPM performance. You get near instantaneous high RPM response, along with great low RPM metering and clean running. Engine drivetrain. Centrally located ram air intake system delivers mid-range power and good throttle response in the high RPM range. Chassis suspension. The 41mm Showa Big Piston Fork, BPF, features a large damper piston that generates damping forces at low internal pressures to allow for smooth, responsive fork action. Adjustable for spring preload plus compression and rebound damping. Unit Pro Link rear suspension. Using knowledge gained from the Honda RC212V MotoGP race program, the aerodynamic design allows minimal drag. The development and testing used with this CBR600RR bodywork, in turn, led to aerodynamic advancements that were incorporated into the RC213 volts. This aerodynamic efficiency lends itself to agile handling and good wind deflection for maximum rider comfort. Sport bikes, especially 600 class machines, are for riders who want to feel the highest degree of connection with their motorcycles. Because the greater the connection, the more rewarding the ride. And that's why we strive to make our Honda CBR 600RR models as good as they are. That said,